Hey everyone, thanks for joining us at Virtual GigCon 2022. We're incredibly excited to team up with Pedro, Rideshare Rodeo, and Hannibal to help address some of the financial challenges that gig workers face. Move started with a mission, to create a gig economy that works for its workers. For the past decade, we've seen an incredible amount of innovation lead to today's gig economy. The companies leading this industry have promised and delivered easy, fast, and affordable services to everyday people. It's clear that consumer behaviors have changed and new value has been created. However, much of this value has come from the dedicated hard work of an often overlooked and growing group. You, the drivers, couriers, shoppers, walkers, and workers of the gig economy. We've heard from thousands of gig workers describe their experiences from the highest of highs to the lowest of lows, both the unpredictability of their work and the flexibility that it gives them. Through speaking directly with gig workers, we know one thing is clear. We share the same vision. A vision where gig work gives people the opportunity to take back control of their lives, gain the flexibility to manage their own schedules, and find greater purpose in their careers. So regardless if you're a multi-apper, early bird courier, late night driver, ambitious entrepreneur, part-time student, or a full-time parent, not everybody has to fit the mold of a 9-to-5 Monday to Friday job, and that's okay. But with this, we also understand the challenges that come with being a gig worker. The way gig workers access and manage their finances hasn't kept up with the way that they work. The gig economy just hasn't been working for its workers. We at Moves aim to change that. It's about time your work gets recognized as valuable and that you have access to better banking designed with you in mind. Moves gives you the tools to bridge the gap between your finances and the vision we all aspire for. Gone are the days of biweekly paychecks, constant credit checks, and rejected loan applications. Now more than ever, modern day workers need modern day solutions. Move started in 2020 in the midst of the pandemic as we saw the world propped up by gig workers. During this time, the way people thought about work permanently shifted. Fast forward to today, Moves has tens of thousands of members across the United States, working on over 20 supported gig platforms. Throughout this showcase, we'll walk through exactly how Moves works, how better banking can help manage your everyday finances, why we're giving you free stock just for being a gig worker, and highlight exciting product features that are on our roadmap. Last but not least, if you're new to Moves, you'll receive a $10 sign-up bonus if you open your Moves spending account today. Learn how you can get more out of gig work when you bank with Moves. Let's get into it.
Hey Virtual GigCon, my name is Alwyn and I'm the growth manager here at Moves. Our team has spent the last few years designing Moves to be the home for your gig business. But what does that mean? It means accessing cash advances to cover unexpected expenses. It means earning stock rewards in the gig apps you power. And it means banking features designed exclusively for gig workers, rather than having them fit the mold upheld at traditional banks. As a gig worker on the go, we connect with all the major gig platforms and many more to help you get a clear picture of how you work, providing you in-app tools to track towards your weekly earning goals and upcoming deposits. Our spending account carries no monthly maintenance, overdraft, or account fees, gives you free use of ATMs in over 55,000 locations, and access to weekly gig payouts up to 2 days early. Once approved for your Moves spending account, you can begin using your Moves virtual card immediately by adding it to your mobile wallet. Say a rock cracked your windshield last night, or perhaps you need an oil change, or you're just in a pinch for a tank of gas. As you begin to deposit your gig earnings into your Moves spending account, you'll be able to unlock cash advances of up to $1,000 to help you cover unexpected expenses when you need it. Moves cash advances will help you get back on the road and earning in no time. And with our built for gig worker repayment structure, we're committed to meeting our members where they are, which means repayments only happen as you earn. Again, we know gig work is unpredictable, but you're managing your money doesn't have to be. Like we mentioned at the very beginning, Move's mission is to make the gig economy work for its gig workers. We see an important vacuum that needs to be filled to provide a genuine and legitimate voice to demand change for everyone here. To do so, we want to make every gig worker an owner in the gig companies you help power. By joining Moves, you're building a voice. And better still, it will cost you absolutely nothing. Moves members are able to earn stock rewards with every qualified purchase that they make on their Moves card. from the driver's seat to a seat at the table, you can earn your share and join thousands of other gig workers who own the future of the gig economy in the United States. Instead of waiting for change, let's work together to make sure that the change happens. So come join the movement. Sign up before October 31st using this link, and you'll receive a sign-up gift of $10 deposited directly into your Move spending account. We can't wait for you to join the movement. Now back to Matt.
What's been most exciting to me about this process is how much clarity we have in our vision, but also how much we learn every day when we talk to gig workers like you. We spent countless hours talking to hundreds, if not thousands, of gig workers to better understand the problems they face, the features they need, the things they'd like us to prioritize. Nothing we do is possible without hearing from you, having your involvement, getting you involved in our movement. So I'm excited to have you join us and help make moves better for the rest of the gig economy.